Monday morning here, and just got back from working out. So next item on the agenda is the countertop. So I cut yesterday these and I put them in the right spot. One here and one here. I decided to go with a bigger sink, and they're not stuck down yet because I need to put water locks on this, but I need to make the trim for it first. So we're going to start with the trim, and once I fit it and if it fits great, then I'm going to go ahead and put water locks on all of it. End of the work day today. It's Saturday. I'm gonna take a rest. I did a lot of work that I did not record because I was just trying to figure out things here and there, and I think that would have made a boring video, but let me show you. I ended up fabricating this. I'm gonna make some shelves under there with little slats across rather than solid wood. This is all reclaimed wood that I've had, and pulled the electricity through into conduit, connected it, and it is working very, very well. The refrigerator is, and I measured it, and once we put down the heating element, there will be about 1 inch of space, so there can still be circulation with the fans that it has, and nothing overheats. And also there's gaps everywhere so the heat can escape. Anyway, I still need to do some sanding and drywalling in here. I've gotten lazy about that part. So anyway, that's where I got to today. It's time to take a break and enjoy my weekend. Monday morning, let me show you what I've done so far. So I did the third and last coat on this butcher block. On this you can put really as many coats as you want. My neighbor showed me water locks, which is this product right here, and he put like 8 on his, and once a year he barely sands it and then does another one. We have done ours with 4 upstairs, and it's been 2 years now and it's fine. And we haven't redone it. So anyway, I did the side pieces. Instead of buying those, I just took a 1-by that was a little bit nicer quality. There are some little imperfections, but I don't care. And sanded it a bit to smoothen it out, and then I started putting water locks on it, and it matches the color. So the next thing is, I showed you this, and I'm going to be painting this. But the inside, I'm going to be painting a dark gray. recording. Sorry about that. Let me show you what I have done. So I did a second coat of white on this, put the refrigerator, plugged it in, put the element in and plugged it in. And let me show you. I really like this little element, and the way I did it, it just happened that it's such a good tight fit that it doesn't even need to be glued in or anything. It sits there, which is good because if I ever want to take it out, I can. So it heats up really fast. And then that's pretty much the end of it. Then I cleaned out the sink, which now looks very clean, very nice. And I ended up doing all the silicone around it, gluing it down to the ground, to the countertop. I glued the underneath where it touches the other wood, the countertop, set it down, put a couple of screws in on each end to hold it down. I glued these to the side and then silicone the edge and then the cracks. This is what I'm thinking will be our tile that goes to the back. And I also did the plumbing for it, and it goes all the way down into here and under there into this main line that goes out. Thank you for watching this week, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. There's a lot of good progress that's happening. There's a ton of stuff that's coming up. Also next week we have a lot of projects going on with the bed and breakfast. But that's going to be it for this week. Ran a little bit out of time. But see you guys next week. Be blessed.